Hey folks.
Hello.
So we are Kirk and Nikki from Kernit's Creations, and Craft Resin kindly sent us some more tabletop. It is fantastic.
It is.
That's all I can say. It's just fantastic.
Love it.
And I thought I would have a go at making a tray.
Ooh.
And seeing how it performs on like a shaped mold.
Yep.
So let's have a look-see.
Let's have a look.
And here we are.
Yeah.
So I am using this gnome mold, or it could be a gonk mold. I'm not really sure. But we got some amazing micas from Craft Resin as well, and I thought I'd use those as well.
Yep.
Now, the weather has turned quite warm in the UK, so
that's an understatement.
I was under pressure to get this done, to get this pour done before the craft room warmed up too much.
Yeah.
So I start off just popping a little bit of the bubblegum pink into his nose, and then I thought he'd look really nice with a nice sort of blue hat.
A blue hat.
A blue hat.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was feeling very blue and pink this day.
Was you trying to cool yourself down just by positive thinking?
I was trying to, that's exactly what was happening. And then I thought I'd give him some blue gloves and some blue feet.
Okay.
So
now this is the Craft Resin 1-to-1.
Yes, this is the
Yep.
This is their standard 1-to-1 epoxy, which we have used for
Years.
Yeah, a long time.
Yep.
And I absolutely love it. It degasses really well, cures beautifully.
Yep.
I've never had any issues with it at all.
No.
Not one.
No, not me.
And I've tried, I have, between us, we've tried pretty much every brand out there.
I think we have, yeah.
I think there's only one brand we haven't tried.
And we're not going to, because we love this one.
Because we like this one. Yeah, pretty much. In a nutshell. So I was just kind of letting my creativity flow.
Okay.
I put some clear
glitter.
on, and then I thought he needs a glittery beard.
Because who doesn't need a glittery beard?
Yeah, it does not go well, but that's okay, because not every pour that you do
Is going to be perfect.
Is going to be perfect.
No.
I'd love to say that it is, and it will be, but they won't. That's the reality of resin art. Resin does what resin does.
It and pretty much does its own thing.
Yeah.
If you want it to do something, it will do the opposite.
Yeah, and if you are not patient, and I was not,
Yeah.
then you will pay the price.
You will, but then it also gives you an opportunity to either improve on it or just cover it.
Yeah, but that is the beauty with resin, is you can just, as you can see, all of the colours blended into each other, which was not my intention.
No.
But hey ho, I thought I'm not going to scrap it because I don't like waste.
Yep. And it's a nice mould as well.
And it's a really nice mould, and I can definitely fix that. I can fix that. So at this point, I just got some pearl white, and I just covered the back.
So this is the back of it.
This is the back of the mould, and
Okay.
it's the mica. So this is a day later, and I've just got some gilding size
Metal size.
That's it. And I've put that over where his beard sits, and all I'm going to do is pour a heap load of glitter.
So this is to cover where the original glitter has gone
all
a
over
bit
the
awry.
shop. And I've taken a chrome marker and coloured in his feet and his hands, and I've used a rose gold on his nose.
Yep.
And I've just gone round with a gold pen to mark it all. So this is the bit that we're really interested in, and that is the top coat.
Yeah.
So I've popped it onto this tray. I've stood it up with some tabletops, and I'm going to use the tabletop.
Okay.
So the reason I like this is, although it's a 36-hour cure, that can be sped up if you want to, but it's scratch resistant.
Yep.
It has excellent UV protection.
Yep.
It is food safe. It's got an incredibly high gloss finish.
Yep.
Which is, excellent. It's heat resistant, so it's ideal for trays and coasters.
It is.
And it is odorless.
Yes.
It is.
Yes,
you know,
indeed.
it is absolutely fantastic.
Yep.
Now it does say a 36-hour curing time. I would say it's touch dry after about, well, depending on the room that you're doing it in.
Yeah.
It's touch dry at the moment. It's touch dry in about 10 hours.
Just because our room, so yeah,
because the room
is
you know,
so,
everywhere's so warm.
yeah.
Now you do have to mix it, and this is the most important part. You must mix it by volume and not weight.
Yes.
And the reason for that is part A is much, much thicker than part B.
Yes.
So if you do it by weight, it's going to be completely off.
Yeah,
completely
because
off.
you'll have more A, and your piece will.
It will never cure.
It will never cure. It'll be a sticky mess.
Yeah, it'll be a sticky mess, and all the effort that you've put into either creating a piece or fixing a piece will be wasted.
Now you do have to stir it for about 3 to 5 minutes.
Yeah.
And you have to scrape the sides and the bottom while you're stirring, just to make sure that you get all of the uncured resin or unmixed resin, so that just to make sure that you get it nice and all mixed together.
Yep.
And then you just pour the spread over the top nice and slowly, and then let it just
find its own level. Yeah.
And then just give it a little touch up to the edges. Yeah.
But what you will find with this tabletop is it is incredibly thick.
Yeah.
So normally before this product came out, I was always using 1-to-1, and it is quite a runny, viscous.
It is
liquid, and it would, the slightest accident and it would pour off the side.
Yeah.
This one,
it's a little bit more forgiving.
It's a lot more forgiving.
Yeah.
It is a lot more forgiving. So yeah, I absolutely love the stuff.
And you can see there you're not actually being very careful going up to the edges.
No.
Yeah, you're going right up. Now I know it does go over the edge on some of the sides.
It does on the other, but I think that's because it's not quite straight.
Yeah, but you can as well just put your fingers in, just go around the sides.
I'm not sure if you show it, but I do actually put my fingers in, because I thought, well, it's gone over now, so I might as well just spread it over with my fingers.
But as long as you get to the edge, it will cure beautifully.
It cures like glass.
Yeah.
It is a glass-like finish.
It is stunning.
Yeah.
To be fair.
I really do like it. I mean, it's not, although it's called tabletop.
Yeah.
It's basically anything that you top coat.
It is, yeah.
It is literally, if you can put a top coat on it,
yeah,
you can use this, I would say.
Okay, all right. So you're going around there just making sure that all the little dips that weren't covered with the original pour are being covered with a top coat, just to make sure it's a nice and even coat. Yeah,
and to give it that high gloss shine.
Yeah,
because I like my pieces to be shiny.
Shiny.
You know, I like shiny.
Yes, yeah. it's definitely shiny.
Yes, it is.
And then you just put your fingers in, wiggle it around a little bit more, and then it's just literally just let it do its thing for 36 hours.
Yeah.
So there it is, and here is the finished item.
There it is, and you can see, if I can bring it up a bit closer to the camera, you can see how absolutely stunningly shiny it is. I mean, it really is amazing.
And that will, you can easily now put a cup on that,
and
or hot drink, or
you would never know that I'd completely messed up the first make.
No,
never know.
No.
That was my phone. I'm so sorry. But you'd never know that wasn't my original intention.
No.
Every single time.
Yeah, and it's it's beautiful. It feels nice, and I can't really see it from there, but it feels nice and smooth, and you can't really tell. You can. It's pretty much glass.
Yeah, and that will withstand putting cups, hot cups,
Hot
on
drinks,
it,
or
and
yeah,
it's absolutely love it.
yeah.
So fantastic product.
Yes.
And once again, I would just like to say thank you to Craft Resin for sending it to us.
Yep.
There will be discount codes in the description.
There will.
And if you've got any questions or comments, please pop it in the comments.
Yep.
So yeah, all that's left to say is the glamour shots.
The glamour shots will follow.
Indeed.
And yeah, we'll see you next time.
See you next time.
Bye
Bye for now.